gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Bree. This is my cosmetics corner where I share honest reviews, tutorials, and must-have products to elevate your cosmetic skills. Okay, today we have a fall haul and I'm really excited because it's fall in Texas. The wigs, as you can see, is out. Products have been switched out. So if you want to know what products I picked up for my fall haul, keep on watching. So I want to start off with clothes because I never start off with clothes, and a lot of people ask for my links, but I don't have links because all my clothes are old. I'm not a girl that buys hella clothes. I buy clothes when I need them. I buy clothes when I get a confirmation to a reservation, birthday, anything. So I'm that type of girl. I'm not buying on Shein. I'm not buying in bulk when it comes to clothes. I'm buying in bulk when it comes to cleaning supplies, skincare, and house stuff. When it comes to clothes, I don't know if it's because I'm a mom of three, but not even, because I've never cared to buy a lot of clothes. I buy clothes when I need them. So yeah, I don't have any links because their clothes are old or they're on sale. Yeah, they're old. But I have an event Friday. It's a celebration and I decided to pick up some items yesterday. And this was not intentional because I definitely set my mind to wearing something that I already have, but it's my friend's birthday, and then yeah, I've been wanting these and I stumbled across them, so I gave in and got some leopard denim. And I ordered these on Amazon for the Nicki concert and they never came. I never got an email, I never got a response. They just refunded my money. I was really upset that I wasn't able to wear my outfit for the Nicki concert. So you guys know I wore a leopard romper from Nasty Gal. So yeah, this was a must. You could pair this with everything, like a royal blue top, brown top, black top, white top, pink top, orange top. Anything could go with this, and I'm obsessed with this. For a reference, I'm a 5'2" and I am a size 8'10", and yeah, I'm obsessed with these. And it has like a little hook on the side and they're baggy at the bottom. They're very wide, so I'm gonna wear a pointed toe boot to eat it up. So yeah, I also purchased some sweaters. I bought two sweaters. I bought this sweater to match it. I think I'm gonna do like a brown on brown vibe for my friend's birthday dinner, but just look at the details. This is so cute, so cute. I also got it in pink because why not? If I like something, I know I've said it many times, I'm gonna buy it in every color, every single color if I can. If God allows, I'm going to buy it in every color. And just the detail, this is really cute. Same details. I'm really obsessed, really obsessed. And last week I rewarded myself with some new slippers. For the month of September, I checked off a lot of my goals and I was on time with my goals, so why not bless myself with some new slippers? One thing about me, I can run through slippers like crazy. I don't know what it is, but I will wear my slippers outside. It's going outside in my backyard. That's what messes up my slippers. I don't understand that there's just house slippers. I go everywhere around my house with them. So I purchased these last week and these are so cute. $10 at Walmart. Yeah, Walmart is that girl. I don't live by a Target. I don't live by anything but Walmart. So and I'm not mad at it because Walmart, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, I share all my stuff that I buy from Walmart. Walmart did a rebrand and I'm not mad at it. From Better Goods, everything. So if you're not following me, go follow me. So the slippers were so good and I know myself, I went to buy another pair. Because before the TikTok warriors find out about them, you have to stock up. Because yeah, when the girls see these in Walmart, they're gonna eat them up. And they come in 3 different colors. Not in the store, but online. You have to shop online. Walmart online is chef's kiss. Next thing that I purchased, of course, is a staple. You have to get a candle. This candle smells just like fall. I put this on my kitchen table. I just posted a video last week of me redoing my fall decor for my dining table, and this was just one of the little cute pieces that I picked up, and it smells so good. And what I love about this, I can reuse this glass. So yeah, So cute. I could put this in my bathroom, my kids' bathroom. I could put this in my kitchen by my butter. It smells so good. Put some candy in it if you want. So the next item, let's talk about the body care. Yeah, I gave in. Jackie posted this, and then after Jackie, all the girls posted this, and I'm a butter girl, a body butter girl. So I was like, let me see what the vibe is. And the vibe is definitely there, and it smells so good. I ended up getting the argan one because the coconut wasn't available. And what sold me is the refill Capri Sun looking packaging. Yeah, obsessed. And it wasn't even that expensive. It's sometimes what I love to do for myself. I love body care, and I also love to spend a little bit of extra for those days when I'm feeling down and I just need like a little reminder, like a little boost, a little pick me up. Yeah, it's gonna be skincare every single time. So I'm excited to use this. I never even told you guys what body oil I use. So I'm a body butter and oil. I like to mix both, but my oil base is coconut oil or like an olive oil, or I just finished a sunflower oil that I've been using. So now instead of going to go buy some, I always keep coconut oil in my house, and you can use it for your teeth, you can use it for your hair, you can use it for your body, for everything. You sure can, and I'm obsessed. So this was number one. You guys know about Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's body butter. It's affordable. I seen they had I've never seen this one, so I picked 3 up, 1 for my daughter and 2 for me. And this one has collagen and peptides. So this is like Botox, body butter Botox, and I'm obsessed. Even if you don't purchase a body butter, it's really nice to find products that have collagen and peptide. That's going to plump your skin, that bounce back when the girls be in the videos and they're like pressing and it bounces back. It's the collagen and peptide. So find this, and it's affordable. So this is for the high end, this is for the mid, and then this one I've shared before. This is at Walmart. I got it at Ulta. I found out about this product at my grocery store, my local grocery store, and then I seen it in Ulta, and then I seen it at Walmart, bigger version. But this is Soap and Glory. If you guys don't know about Soap and Glory, it's affordable skincare line, and their scrubs, everything. I've used, well, I still use it, but yes, and this smells like perfume. You can wear this by itself, and this lasts. Like if you go to sleep in this, and the next day you're gonna smell it. It smells so good. It just smells like a rich bitch. It smells so good, and it's thick. I don't like my body butters to be on the thin side. I like to be thick, just like me. So I gave you 3 body butter options. This is very affordable, and this is like if you want to splurge and just indulge and just upgrade your skincare. The next products that I would like to share is a you need a body scrub. It doesn't matter what season. Make sure you're scrubbing your body, exfoliating your body. And I found this collagen, like I just said, this is like Botox for your skin. I've never had a body scrub that had collagen and tea tree. So it has collagen, charcoal, and tea tree. And I found this at a store called Fenty Beauty in Texas. And when I was talking to the lady, the associate, she told me that it's Sally's Beauty's sister store. And I was just like, wow, I'm a Sally's girl. If you guys didn't know, all my hair products, if it's not PR, I shop Sally's because they have the 5 for 24 or 4 for 24, I don't remember, but I've been shopping there since hair school. They're always running deals, and they're for us. They fuck with us. So I also got this vitamin C scrub, and yeah, so this, I will use this just to prepare my body for summer, my underarms, under legs, under boobs, because girl, that under boob, and I will also use this under my boobs too. Tea tree, I will use this under my arms and under boobs, because now that I'm part of the big titty community, I sweat everywhere. Anytime, 24/7, I'm sweating. As soon as you turn off the AC, I'm sweating. So just adding these just to prepare my body for fall. I mean, not fall, but summer. I still want to, you know, take care of my skin. A lot of people, like the No Shave November, a lot of people, since we're in the winter, they don't get their feet done. They don't do nothing. And it's just like, I'm not that kind of girl. I'm not that kind of girl. I'm going to take care of my body year round. So, bought these. These are really good. I used the vitamin C one already. So, and they smell really good. The vitamin C has grapefruit in it. The next products that I want to share with you, press-on nails. If you guys did not know, I'm a press-on nail girly. I sell press-on nails. All my press-on nails you can shop, or you can send me a reference photo and I could create them for you. So I am in Dallas, and I also ship. So if you have not checked out my website, girl, go check out my website. My website is like the DIY Ulta vibe. That's my vibe, DIY. So yeah, they come with 20 nails, a nail file, a buffer, an alcohol pad, and nail glue, and you can reuse them. So my nails are very, very sturdy, very, very durable. Like, when I say 2 weeks, I mean 2 weeks. And if one pops off, you have backup if you lose it, or you could just re-glue it. But make sure you file it first to smooth your nail bed and then re-glue it. But yeah, and then the next items I want to talk about, I purchased these. I don't know where my other one is, but the Fenty Glow Balm Sticks, Gloss Balm Sticks. Wow. I've been wearing them. I bought 5. I don't know where the other one is, but I have Hot Chocolate, Riri, Sorta Selfish, and Fenty Glow. It's like lipstick and lip gloss together. That's what that is, and it's so hydrating. It's, oh my god, the pigment is, it goes, y'all already know about Rihanna. She go crazy every single time. The last products that I want to talk about is wigs. It's wig season, baby. It's wig season, and I brought out the bang. I've been wearing half wigs, and I'm literally obsessed with half wigs. I pulled this out just because of the aesthetic, but half wigs have been my jam. All I need to do is leave out just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit of leave out, and it just blends naturally. And what I love about the half wigs, like all my other wigs, I can take them off. No headaches, no glue. They come with 3 clips and an adjustable band, and I get to take it off by dinner time. Chef's kiss, so iconic, so iconic. And yeah, so I've just been wearing my wigs. I'm so excited. I've been rolling out my wigs, and yeah, if you're not following me, go follow me on Instagram. It's a different vibe. I'm more active with my short film versus YouTube. I'm still trying to figure YouTube out. We're still in the 90-day phase. Even though I've been here forever, I'm still learning and still trying to figure out and still trying to learn how to swim in the algorithm on YouTube. But I'm more active on Instagram, TikTok, and I'm also on Pinterest. Come find me, come say hello. But yeah, that wraps it up. I can go on and on and on because this is not the only items that I bought, but I'm not trying to push that on you. I just want to share the staples that I like to bring in for fall. You know, Switch My body scrubs, a thicker body butter, fall shades for lippies, and press-on nails. Look at these press-on nails. Like, my press-on nails go crazy. Yeah, look at that brown heart, because I'm gang. Yeah, so that wraps it up. If you guys want to let me know what you guys are adding to your fall purchases, please let me know. I want to know what you guys are buying, and don't be afraid to share what I need or what I need to fix, because I get so mad when my friends don't put me on. I want to be put on. Send me some links. If you have links, send me the links. I'll shop your links. So that is it. I'm going to wrap it up, and I will see you guys. Oh, before it's Q4. Whether you are a business owner, if you're not a business owner, you're a human. Set goals for yourself to set yourself up for the beginning of the year. This is the most crucial time of the year for business owners. This is the time where you make the most money, you pitch yourself, you find new prospects, you find new clientele, you find new people. Remember, your social media presence is your online store. It's like a store. So if you want people to come pick your store, give them a reason to. And if you're not a business owner, if you're a mom, if you're a stay-at-home mom, set your goals to wash your baseboards or organize or declutter. Potty train your baby. Make sure that baby is potty trained before January 1st. So yeah, that, or even if you don't know how to do your makeup, learn how to do your makeup before January 1st. Before January 1st, So yeah, that wraps it up. I will see you guys next time. Bye.